Recently, you discovered that your laptop PC or desktop PC start lagging, and you thought you want to change the RAM. What if I am here to tell you that changing the RAM is not the right thing to do? It may be because there are some hidden settings that is embedded in Microsoft PC that is preventing your device from performing to its optimum. So in this video, I'll walk you through the processes on how to disable delivery optimization in Windows 10 and 11 for better performance. By default, enabled by Microsoft. What is delivery optimization? Applied to Windows 10 and Windows 11. Windows updates, upgrade, and application can contain package with large files. Downloading and distributing updates can consume quite a bit of network resources on the device receiving them. Delivery optimization is capable HTTP downloader with a cloud managed solution that allow Windows device to download those packages from alternate source if desired. You can see if desired to download from alternate source. To manually disable these settings on your device is very simple. You're going to click on this button, right click on the start button, then go ahead and click on settings icon. So once you click on the settings icon, scroll down to the base of this place, click on Windows Update. Then from here scroll down a bit and you get access to this button that says advanced option, delivery optimization, optional update, active hours, and others. Click on it. Once you click on this button, then scroll down until you have access to this button that says delivery optimization. Click on it and open it. Once you open it, by default you can see that this one is enabled as I've said, and don't forget that we've made mention of it here that it is enabled by default. So what does this do? If you turn this on, your device may send part of the previously downloaded Windows update and apps to device on your local network or on the internet. That is why sometimes you update your device and you are not getting the best because this button is enabled. So what if you guys will disable this option? Click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, what does you get from this? Disabling it is simple. What is it that your PC will stand as a major option here will not be able to send and download from other devices on the internet, and you as well, you will not receive any updates from the internet. So it means that you'll be able to prevent your PC from getting updates from any connected devices in your local environment with your device. Rather, you'll be able to get this directly from the Microsoft website. To enjoy this, you have to scroll up again, come back and click on this window button again, then check for update here. So by this, guys, going to be able to get the direct update, the official update from Microsoft device, thereby updating your device to the latest version. So guys, that's all the process, guys, on how to disable delivery optimization in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.